Okay, we're back again. This is the Teamsynch demo. So what we've actually done is we've used our Android device using the Teams app. We've recorded the data that we wanted to pick up, so the projects, the assets, the inspections, and then the photos, which were actual photos and sketches. So that's all now sitting on the Android app. What we want to do now is we want to transfer that onto our desktop so we can bring it into the database, run our reports, and edit any part of the select data that we've actually got, and also basically provide us like a backup. So what we actually have is we have a device here which we call Teamsynch. So what this program actually does, that's this program actually here, Teamsynch, is it enables us to transfer data from the Android to the Windows, to the desktop, or to a laptop. And the great thing is it also enables us to then transfer data from the Windows or the desktop or laptop back to the Android. So once you've actually recorded your data on the app, you can transfer the data, purge that data so that basically there's your Android's then freed up. And then if anything should happen to it, it's okay because that data is kept safe actually like on the desktop. If you are then sort of going to do another, say you're going to do another audit follow-up, then you can actually transfer all the data from the previous audit back onto the Android, and then you just obviously you can select the same project, the same asset, choose a new updated inspection date, record new select photos, select data, and it's all basically compiled together. Okay, so this is how we use it. So first of all, I have connected my device, and you can sort of see here, here's the device that's actually recorded there, and it is now, so I've got access to it, so if I click on there, I've got a tablet and I've got sort of a card. We can record data on either, as I feel like I noted in the previous video. So now we're actually sort of ready. So probably the most important thing to know is that, yeah, obviously your Android has to be connected, it has to be recognised on Windows, so it obviously appears as it does here, and then we're ready to go. So I'll just get rid of the screen. Okay, Teamsynch, we've opened it up. Two main sort of window pull downs that you have to have. You have a Windows asset database. So basically, it wants to know where's the database where it's going to pull all this information off the Android and then put it into the database. We've got default ones that you sort of set up. So I basically set them up on my D drive. You can set them up on any drive that you actually want on your computer. There's the actual sort of like the transfer database where we're going to transfer the sort of data to, and actually we're going to choose a new one. So what we'll actually do is I'll choose a new one here, go to transfer, we click on that, so we've now got that new one, and it also knows where we're going to put all the photos and sketches and everything. So again, I'm going to click on here, we're going to go to D, temp, down to 15, and we're going to put it in photos. So I'm just going to click OK to that. Okay. I always sort of tend to tick the error logging. We use that basically for support backup for our users. So if for some reason there was a glitch and that could be down to sort of like the type of security sort of like software that you're running, whether you're running a Trend Micro or a Norton antivirus or something. We haven't had any problems, but obviously you tick that error log in and you can send us the error log file, and then we can sort that out. So we're transferring from the Android to Windows, so we just basically run the sync. So we click on that. Now what it's actually doing now is it's actually scanning for the database. So what it's doing is you don't have to tell the Teamsynch where this information is. It's just basically goes through and actually sort of find it. It's also sort of scanning for the images. So it's going to go through and obviously find those. It's now doing all the copying. So it's copying all the information. And then it's checking it. And as you can sort of see with the pull down that it's gone through, basically, because we've already got sort of these tables set up, it hasn't had to create them, so it just synchronises them. It's basically it's done successfully, so we're going to hit and it's complete. So essentially now, if I bring a screen actually across here, we go into D, go into temp, 16, go to transfer, and we open up this database. We open this actually up. It's just a standard sort of database. We click on project. There's the project. There's 2 assets. There's the inspections. And there's the photo information, all ready to go. Anyway, that's all done. So now I'll just stay tuned for the next video, which will be basically bringing the data from the transfer database into the desktop database and showing you how to print reports and edit your data. Thank you.